4 minus 4 times 4 minus 4. Now I'm going to show us two methods. I'm going to give us two methods with which we can solve this video, right? So now you have, first of all, let's use this method. And don't forget, we are using PEMDAS rule of PEMDAS for this. So 4 minus 4, negative 4. Some people go ahead to do 4 minus 4, which is 0, times 4 minus 4, which is 0. 0 times 0 is going to give us 0. But this is wrong, because according to PEMDAS rule of board mass, we have our board mass. So this is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we are solving this using the rule from left to right, okay? We are solving from left to right. So if we do that, we are going to solve it accordingly. So first of all, since there is no bracket, there is no exponent, so we have there's no division sign here. So we just have a multiplication and a subtraction, okay? So we have to do this multiplication first, which is this. So we have 4 minus 4 times 4 is going to give us 16 minus 4. Now, since we are solving from left to right, we are going to do this. 4 minus 16 is going to give us negative 12. Then we have our negative 4. Negative 12, negative 4 is going to give us negative 16. And this is the final answer for this method. Now for this second method, I will show you. You may not go through this long process in solving it, okay? So in solving this method, you will choose which one you prefer most, okay? So now if you use this method, this is 4 minus 4 times 4 minus 4. All you need to do is, first of all, there's plus 4 here. This is positive 4. This is negative 4. So this one will cancel out this. Alright? So we are left with minus 4 times 4. Minus 4 times 4 is going to give us what? Minus 16. Thank you for watching. Bye.